What about this then? 10 massive single ignition fireworks, all available from Galactic Fireworks. So if you want to watch any videos of these cakes, go to Galactic Fireworks and watch them. So you can watch, obviously there's 3 Kimbolton cakes here, the Icarus Sun, the Hades Party, the Get In, all amazing. Hallmark's Elite Challenge, I think there's a couple from Prime, there's Big Play, Heavier to Let It Ride from Prime, which I just think are top of the game. Galactic Fireworks' very own Godzilla. Wow, wait till you see, that's amazing. And a couple from Classic as well, Brocade with 49 short profit. So this is a 10 cake, amazing firework pack. Get involved, buy a ticket, this is what we do. Saves you buying fireworks later in the year. Get them now, amazing fireworks.